Let's go, everyone. Today I'm super excited to be unboxing this North Face Purple Label hat. So for those of you that don't know, North Face Purple Label is exclusive to Japan. So you can only get these in Japan. As this looks like the purple label is purple. So that's how you know. Windstopper, here we go. Really high quality. Ooh, it's got the purple label. Color dark navy. It's the Windstopper cap. Here's the North Face Purple Label. Made possible by Namika. Shout out to them, don't know who that is. Alright, so it's collaboration with Gore-Tex Windstopper products, that's cool. By Gore-Tex Labs. Boom. Here's what it looks like. Gore-Tex Labs, yep, Windstopper, and North Face on the clip over here. It's cool. And purple label, so really minimalist. Cool, from Japan. Yeah, that's it. Hope you're all doing well. Catch you for the next unboxing video. Later.